Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2014 Ford Focus. So from any screen, this is the rotary control. I always attempt to turn this, which is the volume control. So you don't turn that. You use the arrows on this center bit. First of all, nav, route, destination, route, destination, input, traffic, home address. So again, I was going there to try and turn it down, the rotary control, but you don't, you use the arrow. So down, then the center, click OK. City and postcode. There we go. Now, again, I have to be very careful doing this, because what I need to do is, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, P. Like I say, using the arrows, not the turning it. R, it's defaulted to numbers, 5, 4, always get these the wrong way around, E, A, PR5 4EA. You'll see down here in the corner, OK. The instructions here in the corner, well, there's 4 instructions along the bottom, OK, keyboard, backspace or cancel. Now, again, those correspond to these. So if you click that, nothing happens. What you have to do is, OK, the left one is this, cancel, the right one is here. So we click OK. That's all I want to do. You can put a road in or whatever, but the generic postcode is good enough for me. So I need to do start. So you've got start, store, coordinates and map. Again, these 4 buttons, start. Eco, fast or short. I want fast. So use the arrows and click OK.
You will arrive at your destination on the left after 100 yards.
That's it. That's how you do it. It's pretty easy. Ford always have the best systems, the easiest systems. But you just have to remember to use the arrows and the OK here, and then these 4 buttons along the bottom. At the moment it's saying zoom, move, step or mute. Again, so that one would be mute. That's not stop, sorry. That one's stop, that's move, and that's zoom. So if I click that, there you go. You can zoom, and then I can use that to zoom in like so, and click OK when you've done it. That's how you set the sat nav. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system, the sync system in this 2014 Ford Focus. So from any screen, we go into settings, we find Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth's on, there's a tick there. You won't have as many things paired to your Bluetooth as me, but we're watching out at the bottom. We then go to telephone, and where's phone? Phone's here on the left. So down the left, phone. No phones paired, please add a phone. And again, you've got add and cancel. Those instructions on the bottom correspond to these 4 buttons, which don't look like buttons, but trust me, they are. So we click add.
Sync once it is found.
So it's found sync here, and please begin pairing by entering this pin. Sometimes it will accept, it will generate a random pin code, but we'll just see here, because that's a long pin code.
The pin displayed on
there you go.
Matches the pin displayed on your device.
Which is a good job, because I couldn't remember what that other one was. So it's generated a random pin code now, and all we have to do is click pair, and again, yes and no. So no would be there, yes is here. Click yes. Waiting for phone confirmation. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. Pairing successful.
Please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
So there you go, that's paired. Download phone book. I'm not going to bother, but again, yes. Far left, no, right. So that would be no, and that's yes. I'm just going to click no, because I won't be using this car. That's it done. And if we, oh, there we go, sync connected. So it, again, dead simple. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio through the Bluetooth system in this 2014 Ford Focus. So if we go to music, no, I don't want a trial, and we'll click on that. I'm going to turn it down, but you see there at the bottom the speaker. There's been an update on this, obviously, because that's actually changed from 3 silver circles and a triangle to now a speaker. But you see there sync. There's a tick next to sync, and there's iPhone there. So that means whatever audio is playing on this phone, because the sync is ticked, if you've got this system set up right, it will play through the speakers. So we'll go back to the tune, over to the system. You've got auxiliary here. If you click auxiliary,
no USB device.
Click it, that's gone onto USB. We'll click it again. That's actually an audio book that's playing on my phone, the new Harry Bosch, the new Harry Bosch audio book. So that's kind of caught my demonstration up. But if I click play on here for this record, there you go. And if I turn it up here and then turn it up here, that's it. That's how you stream audio. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Ford Focus. So from any screen, you'll see their phone. There's a button for phone there. There's auxiliary, radio, CD, and here you've got nav, map, sound, and menu. We want menu, so click on menu. Then you've got sync settings. Again, I always go to turn the outside one to scroll down, but you don't. You use the arrows. You'll see there clock settings, audio settings, navigation settings, sync applications, sync settings. Sync settings is the one we want. There's an arrow to the right, so we click the arrow there. That takes you onto another menu. Bluetooth on. If you're having problems with your Bluetooth, if you can't pair your mobile, make sure there's a tick next to that Bluetooth. If I just click that, you'll see the tick's gone. Make sure there's a tick in that box. To delete a mobile though, we want BT devices. BT devices, there's another arrow to the right, so we click on the arrow to the right, and you'll see there Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. That's the only one that's paired to this system. That's the one I want to delete. And at the bottom there, you've got add, delete, and connect. So again, those instructions at the bottom there correspond to these buttons, which don't look like buttons, but trust me, they are. So add, delete, connect. I want to delete. Delete Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. So again, you've got yes in the left-hand side and no in the right. If I was doing it wrong, if I'd picked the wrong one, I'd click no there. But I want to delete that, so that's yes. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro deleted. That's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.